Alright, so we put on the fork. So what I had to do was reuse the cups and the bearings on this and kind of modify this external Sins BMX top cab because the one I had bought was too loose. These Schwinn's, the head tube thickness is a little bit thicker, so it would have been too loose. So we got the chrome cleaned. There, a little grease. Cleaned the chrome on that. Look at that, shiny. This one too, cleaned that up. On the back side, you can see, took all that rust off, all the rust off on there. Down in here, cleaned it up a little bit. Installed this Tektro big balloon tire brake for the back.